Well, welcome to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques on YouTube, and our channel where we show you and demonstrate some of the china being listed on the Vintage and Antiques website. And this week we've been listing this Palissy tea set. It's part tea set, part dinner set. We've got some bigger pieces of flatware coming through on this design also. A lovely, how would you describe that? Lime green. It's a sort of pastel-y, very sort of white shaded green ground that they've used, but then a highlight on the handle. Just look at the darkness in the green glaze that's been applied on this very angular handle. Characteristic mould from Palissy, this one. Straight walled, pedestal footed, Art Deco styling with the downward pointing handle. Beautiful condition this, lovely glaze inside, nice and clean, and the gilt is really what makes this little teacup stand out. It's almost mint condition. Palissy china marks on the base, characteristic England Palissy, that's all they usually put on. Quite often these designs or colour ways will have 4-digit palette references or colour references for the decorators. None of the pieces in this set that we've looked through have actually got that, so we're not going to be able to list this with its normal Palissy pottery pattern reference or number on it. Condition note on these little saucers, there is some fine glaze crazing in some of these. You can just make that out on the back there if I bring it in close. You may just be able to see this fine glaze crazing, just little cracks in the glaze. The actual earthenware china itself is absolutely fine. And again, very nice stylised, square, angular cornered tea plate. We know the dates of this because Palissy were good enough to put date stamps on them, and these were made in October 1933. 1033, as you can see, impressed into the base of this little side plate. Nice set, really pretty, lovely colour, very Art Deco. I mean, you couldn't ask for anything more Deco stylised than that, could you, in a teacup set? We've also got some larger pieces of flatware coming through on this colour version. We haven't got the pattern number, unfortunately, but do have a look through on Palissy Pottery in lime green, and you should be able to find the dinner plates, dessert plates and other pieces that we're also going to be listing over the coming weeks. Thanks for watching.